Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix error encountered 0x80070643 in Windows 11, 10 update. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Event Collector, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Open Windows Event Log, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Open Windows Update, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Restart system. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SC, config, WUAU serve, start equal to auto. Type SC, config, crypt SVC, start equal to auto. Type SC, config, bits, start equal to auto. Type SC, config, trusted installer, start equal to auto. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.